quick money online? That's right, just watch the video, repeat after me, and then you're gonna have your first $1,000 on your account balance today. Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a step-by-step tutorial on making money online in 2024. I've been using this online money making method over 5 years now, so today I'm going to explain the simplest way of doing it. There's a link to my trading platform where we're going to be making money today in the pinned comment below this video. Just click the link, enter your data, and proceed with continue. I've already got an account, so I'm just quickly log in. So after signing up, you get to the platform itself. It might look confusing at first sight. Let's figure everything out real quick. We're gonna start with a minimal deposit today. I'll use the amount that each one of you can afford. For starters, go to profile section and fill in your info in order to be able to withdraw your future profits. So then we're looking for the finance section, clicking deposit, and choosing any convenient method of payment. For instance, one can make a minimal deposit of $5 with Binance Pay payment system. So you're free to use any payment service provider that allows a minimal deposit amount of $5 to $10. I'm sure everyone can afford this amount for trading because there's no point in starting with a smaller amount. It's not even technically possible anyway. Let's make a one deposit of $10 for today. When I click continue, I'll get a payment receipt. I'm gonna pay real quick and be right back. So the deposit has been made, the money's already here, $10.90 on our account balance. Today we're gonna try and earn at least $100, and I assure you it will be as easy as you can imagine. We're gonna use one tool that isn't that well known for some reason and there's therefore barely used nowadays. We may leave the chart setting as they are. First thing we do is choosing a currency pair with the highest payout right here in the top left corner. There's a bunch of assets. The highest payout you can get is 92%. The point of our today's way of making money is predicting the upcoming market's direction. If our guess ends up correct, we'll be earning up to 92% of our each deal's amount. Basically, if I place a $10 deal upwards right here, here's the market, for example. The price is at this point at the moment. We make a $10 deal upwards. The market starts evolving in some kind of a way similar to this. And when the deal is closed, if the price ends up higher than the point of the deal was opened at, we earn plus 92% to our deal, or $9.20. Just in 1 minute or within any chosen time span. One may even make 5-second deals. However, our today's strategy only implies 1-minute deals. So in the right corner, we're opening the signals section. These signals are provided by different traders and the platform itself. The most important thing here is choosing a right signal to profit off of. How do you do that? Before I explain that, we gotta figure out what all of those labels and symbols mean. Let's make this first signal at the very top as an example. It's given for the exact currency pair that we've chosen to trade with. As soon as we click the copy signal button, a deal gets opened. Here we can see the signal appear 30 seconds ago, which is too much. We gotta track fresh signals and copy those only that have just appeared. Also, pay attention to the deal's expiration time. It should be around 1 minute for today. Feel free to make longer deals if you have the option to. My goal for today is recording a short video, earning as much as possible within a span of 5 to 10 minutes. So today I'm gonna stick to 1-minute deals. The most important thing to do is copy the signal as soon as it has arrived. I hope you get it. And we are getting a new signal for downwards as we speak. As you can see here as some kind of progress scale, which allows us to make sure we've made the deal in the very beginning of the signal and there's still some time left, 1 minute in this case, till the deal is closed. I suggest we switch to the chart type to candles. It's way more convenient for me. You gotta get used to it at some point. It's much more informative than the linear one. Look, we've just made the deal and the market has started falling down right away. The market is falling. The trade was placed downwards with this lower button. We're basically predicting the market will end up at a lower level than it was when we entered. The signal is about to expire. 5 seconds and we'll get our $19.20. So amazing, the signal worked out, the deal is closed. Let's look for next signals. This signal has just appeared. We're coping it right away. It's been 10 seconds since it appeared. 50 seconds are left till its expiration. Look, there's also this dollar icon that displays the position of our deal. Would currently be in profitable or losing if we made thoroughly at the moment of the signal's appearance. Right now, according to this indicator, all of the deals made precise with the signals would be in a profitable state at the given moment. This is what a losing signal looks like. It doesn't necessarily mean you want profit off of it. It just indicates that the market has currently gone into the opposite direction of the signal. Nevertheless, the second deal is about to close. 5 seconds left. It closes in profit and we've earned $38.50. Amazing. Another fresh 1-minute signal is here. By the way, if you've got time to spare, I definitely recommend you to open several currency pairs with the highest payouts. You can see the profit percentage in this column and just observe the given signals. When a new signal has just arrived, copy it right away. This way, the chance for your deal to be as accurate and close to the original signal as it can be is higher. I hope you get it as well. At the moment, we are just switching between assets to see how often signals appear for each one, so I don't have that option right now. We're lucky today. We've managed to copy the deal almost right after the signal appeared. That's why we succeed in making our deal quite neatly and similar to the original one. So another deal closes in profit, $74 on our account balance. One more trade and our account balance will have been increased over 10 times. Let's go. This signal appeared 7 seconds ago. We're coping the deal right away. 50 seconds are left till its expiration. I'd still like to highlight that signals don't guarantee a 100% profitable deal. You'll gotta understand there's some losing signals out there as well. So don't ever set your entire deposit at the deal's amount if you don't want to lose all your money in an instant. I'm only risking my entire deposit in order to show you how much is quite possible to earn in a very short time span with a minimal account balance. Wise and correct trading implies dividing your account balance into at least 5 to 10 signal deals. So our deal is about to close. The case was extremely risky, however, we do get a positive result. We managed to increase our initial deposit over 14 times in just 10 minutes. That's a magnificent result. Don't you agree? If you got interested in this way of making money, I'll leave an educational video for you in the top right corner that'll help you figure out all trading details and nuances out, comprehend how exactly this all works and how big money are made in short time here. I hope this video will encourage your development and financial success. Don't forget to like this video, follow my channel. I wish everyone a lucky trading time. Bye!